first is mounting this better. This is how I had to do it to get it in the garage. Each time you turn the steering wheel, this whole thing wants to rock out. Hi, and welcome back. I think tonight it's pretty late, so we're not gonna do much, I don't think, out here, other than take some inventory of bolts, these boxes here. I shot some video earlier, and I'll put it in after this about well, we pulled some parts. All right, here's all the stuff to that truck and the Bronco. We have our bed panels, the door, that's the bumper to the GMC. I think that's the radiator support for the GMC. There's a rear fender, front fender. I believe that's the front fender too. Of course, the hood is in perfect condition. Miscellaneous odds and ends. But I think today we're gonna try to dig through this a little bit, see what we can pull out. There's the apron for the hood latch, some inner fenders, as well as all the bed cross braces, I believe. But we have a lot to dig out. Well, at least this will be kind of clean on this side once we start pulling this out. I'm gonna put it in the truck over there. I think I'm gonna try to get this fender and the grills in there too. I like to have that. I may pull some of this Bronco stuff off and set it to the side. I'm gonna try to bring that pallet in, put it somewhere where it won't get rained on. But we need to get in here and, well, there's a seat for the Chevrolet right there. So anyways, I'm gonna spend some time out here trying to get to the access to this. I may put y'all over on the GMC. If you're new to the channel, this is another one of my projects. It's a 65 GMC short wide. It was running when I parked it. Well, I don't want to say running, it was idling really well. Let's just say that. Anyways, I pulled everything off front end like I do all my stuff. So anyways, probably put you over here, face you behind me, and we'll start moving and unearthing stuff. As you can see, there's the bench seat, the grill, the passenger side fender, driver side fender, the hood is right here, the inner fender. There should be, yeah, there's another inner fender over there. Only thing I don't see right now is the rear passenger fender, which it may be underneath the hood. We'll have to find that. If it's not there, then I mean, it should be there. I mean, no way it can't be there. So I had every piece of this truck, and this fender looks, I don't know what that stuff is. You know what that is? Let me know. This one has the fender brace still attached. Anyways, we'll have to find that other rear fender. It's getting kind of dark out here. I am gonna put all the Bronco stuff back over here tomorrow. Anyways, yeah, I'm gonna leave Bronco stuff out for a little bit till tomorrow, and we'll put it back over here. I think tomorrow we may grab more of this. I just need to see how much room I got in the garage right now. Other than that, it's pushing midnight and I gotta work in the morning. So I think the main thing is tonight is we're gonna go through those, see what we have, what we need. I might take you around and show you what we need to do first in order to put some parts on, and then talk about how about we're gonna go about putting this back together. I guess with that being said, let's take you around the truck a little bit more and show you what we got and what we need to do before we start putting stuff on. All right, the cab itself is pretty good. There's somebody hammered in this area here. You can kind of see they hammered in that, and they hammered in this fender here. And they welded on this spare tire homemade rack. I mean, this wasn't factory, I don't believe, because I don't think they do such a bad job of hammering in stuff. Pulled bed sides out. Then we got the rails that go between the bed panels we need to put in. And of course these panels are a little bit, they're pretty rusty, but I think they're usable. And the cab is kind of leaning. It's because this tire doesn't have air in it over here. This side seam's kind of rusty. And cats are wanting to play tonight. You can see that one. It's eyeballing me. Because this one likes to jump on you. This is actually a pretty decent tire. It's holding air. But this is a door we pulled out of the barn. Got to put the handle back in it, which is in the box over there, I do believe. A little bit better shot of the interior. Cats don't knock everything off. I do have the seat that I will put back in here. He said he didn't need a seat necessarily, but I don't have use for it, and I like it to go with the vehicle. I see you. And I do have the glove box piece, and I think the cigarette ashtray too. And then gotta replace a bolt to mount the body to the frame. And this is the inner fender brace for the fenders out here. And I forgot what these were, but I'm sure I'll find out what they went to. But the main thing that I want to get done kind of first is mounting this better. This is how I had to do it to get it in the garage. Each time you turn the steering wheel, this whole thing wants to rock out. And I had to not make a tool, but use a different tool to get that kind of ball into that cup there, in order to use a steering wheel. But I'll need 3 bolts total. One right here, and one going down here. There's nothing on the front side, so we need to get that mounted first so they can actually steer the truck. This door still has the handles and the window trig, and the window does go up. Has a little bit of that delamination, but and both doors have the glass in it. And it has the old gauges and the little speedometer. I really like how these interiors are. A little radio in it. Oops. I'm gonna have to mount the steering wheel back up here to get it up where it needs to be. And that's one button that he's stepping on. These cats are kind of crazy tonight. Yeah, it still has the old sticker for oil change. Can't tell the date. It just has some, oops. I got to focus. I'll focus on the cats. There it is. Just has some old writing on it, but I'm not sure what year that's from. Watch out. Anyways, these are a box of goodies. Let's see if that's let me put my hand into spider's nest. Here's the handles for those sides. There should be some clutch head bolts in here somewhere. Some of this stuff might be from the GMC, like this horn. It's from the GMC. Let me check the other box. This is the other box. Got two of these doors. There is bolts, not enough to do anything with. Their interior lights. No, these are the I think they go on the dash. Old ashtray. Sorry about all the noise. Then the door pull on the inside. And the window crank. They're all in pretty good condition. Of course, the windshield wiper. Windshield wiper arm. Brake and clutch pedal. Anyways, I think that'll do it for me tonight. Like I said, it's pretty late out here, and I need to start this earlier in the day. We did get some parts pulled. Need to get the rest of it, especially the front end. I like to get that all on so it looks like a 50 Chevrolet truck. But I am having problems finding the passenger side fender bolts for the steering, but I think everything else is here. Don't know about the radiator support area. I think it's out there. After looking at those pictures, I think I've seen it. But I do have the glass up in the rafters here. I think if we just get it all bolted back together, it'll look a lot better. And two, I'm going to put new tires, or not, I don't say new tires, but if he doesn't want the truck, then I'm going to put tires that actually hold air on it. That way we can move it, I guess move it back where we had it after we get everything put back on it. And might try to sell it, but my wife is solid in here and she really likes these trucks. And I think once we get it back together, she's going to really want to keep it. If I can make some money on it and put it in the Bronco, and that'll probably be the best way to go about it. I would hate to see it leave. I don't know if I ever get to own another one. That's what it is. If he wants it, then I'll sell it to him. But anyways, yeah, sorry for lack of content tonight. Like I said, we just got parts together. We may go get more parts tomorrow. Move the Bronco parts back so they're off the dirt. But I think we can get this done relatively quickly. And if you're new to the channel, I usually post on the Bronco. We got a 71 Bronco over here we're working on. That I have a unique opportunity to sell this possibly. It doesn't have a title. The guy needing a truck like this doesn't want a title. So I think it'd be make a better presentation if it's all together before he sees it. So this will be in here for a little while. Longer project, we'll jump to Bronco some, and this back and forth. Thank you for watching. I post every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. There's usually some on the Bronco, but now it's just gonna be a mix of cars. Like I said, I hope I don't lose y'all, big Bronco fans. Like I said, it could be beneficial for the Bronco. Move it on pretty quick if things work out right. But thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. It really does help me and the channel out. Thank you again, and I'll see you next time.